Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass, fog lamps, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.